Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 12. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here. So our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 3 here makes us our 4, 3. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 1, 8, and that 8 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here and a 3 here, so this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.